Withdrawing money from your Wish account to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Log into your Wish account. Access the Wish app or website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have a verified account to proceed with the withdrawal. Step 2. Navigate to the Wallet section. Once logged in, locate the Wallet or Account section. This is where you can manage your funds and initiate withdrawals. Step 3. Select Withdraw Funds. In the Wallet section, look for an option that says Withdraw or Transfer to Bank. Click on this option to start the withdrawal process. Step 4. Enter bank account details. You will be prompted to enter your bank account information. Ensure that all details are accurate to avoid any issues with the transfer. Step 5. Confirm the withdrawal. After entering your bank details, review the information and confirm the withdrawal. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your request is being processed. Once you have completed these steps, your withdrawal request will be processed. Keep an eye on your bank account for the funds to appear, which may take a few business days.